Hi, my name is Mariana and today we are going to solve this problem. First we are going to divide this problem in two parts to make it easier. For this part we are going to use the chain rule and the trigonometric function.
To start with the first part, we did the chain rule, which consists on taking the exponent and multiplying like the copy paste. Then you have to multiply by the derivative of all this, but in this case the derivative of the u consists of another chain rule, since cosine is to the second power. So here we have 8 that we leave it outside, and then the 2 multiplied by the copy paste of this one, and the derivative of the u, that is -4 sine of 4x. For the next step to continue with the chain rule is to multiply the number of the outside by the derivative. So first you multiply all the numbers inside the derivative, which are 8, 2, and -4, and then this multiplied by 2, which gives us -128, and we multiply these two, we have these two together, so cosine 4x sine 4x. To continue, we are gonna do this distributive property. So first we take like our first number, which is all of this, and multiply by all of this. So it gives you -1024, and then cosine to the second power for x times cosine to the 4x gives you cosine to the third power for x. And you have sine of 4x remaining. Then you take your second number, which is -9, and repeat the same. So you're going to multiply this by all this, and it gives you positive 1152 cosine to the 4x sine 4x. As a last step, you can simplify it or leave it like this, but if you simplify it, it will give you like what you initially had.
We are going to start the second part of the problem, and this the square root of 6e to the 4x minus 7 is equal to 6e 4x minus 7 to the 1/2. To find the derivative, we're going to use the chain rule and the exponential. First, like this problem, we multiply the exponent, and then you do copy paste of the equation, and u is 1/2 minus 1, and is -1/2, and then you multiply it by the derivative of this. That there is where you use the exponential rule, and you have this. The next step is multiply 6 times 4, and you have 24e to the 4x. And when you have a negative exponent, you have to move it to the denominator. So you have this, and then you can simplify this, and you have 12. So the answer.
We have completed our two procedures. We are gonna continue by putting them together. So we're gonna take this, our simplified answer, and our final answer, and this is our completed final answer. Thank you.